Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. So this is about me. I am a computer science gate faculty having more than 5 plus of teaching experience, mentored more than 50,000 students, taught in different coaching institute all over India. Okay, it's like the Gate Academy, even qualified multiple times Gate, and even I have given the coaching in many government colleges as well as in many private colleges. Like in SRM Chennai, I have given coaching. CAT Bhubaneswar, I have given. BC Bhagalpur, Jorhat College of Engineering, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, Ramgarh Engineering College. Okay, these are the colleges where I have went and I have given the coaching. So now we will see. Now we will see the summary part. Okay, summary part. Okay, fine. So now this is your data structure. This is your Maxif. Now tell me, for insertion how much it is taking the time. For insertion it is taking big of login for insertion. For delete max how much it is taking, that extract for delete max what can happen, what is going to be the time complexity. It was taking log n. See, we have seen the delete max, that extract max. We have seen after deleting the maximum we were swapping the leaf with its parent, and then there we are calling the maxipy. Are you able to recall? We have seen the delete max, insertion we have seen. Now in max, if you will find max, if you find max, what is going to be the time complexity? Now you people tell me. To find max, here it's delete max, now here it's find max. Okay, now increase key, if you will do increase key, what is going to be the time? Increase key, for increase key what is going to be the time complexity? For decrease key what is going to be the time complexity? So for find max, just the root element is the maximum, so it is going to take big of one constant time. Now increase key we have seen. To increase key we have to just do the comparison with its parent, so it was taking log n only. For decrease key what we will do, for decrease key, if you are decreasing any key at that point we will just call the maxify. Okay, so the worst case time complexity of maxify is log n, is log n. So you can write here. Okay, let me write in next point. Okay, so decrease key is same as decrease key. I will go after some time. I will go in the previous slide just to. So decrease key is same as insert the new element, insert the new element new element at the given place or the index, at the given place or index. Okay, so you will call maxipy there, it will work. Okay, now see, insertion we have seen, deletion we have seen, find max, these things we have seen. Now search a random element. Now search a random element. Search a, now for searching a random element, what is going to be the time? Think, random element, for searching a random element, what is going to be the time complexity? What is going to be your, now you want to search an element. Now whenever you want to search an element, you have to traverse all the element in the tree, all the element in the tree. So in worst case you have to traverse all the element. So in worst case it is going to have big O of n. The number of element is going to big O of n only, so that's why it is going to take time complexity as big O of n. So search is n because you don't know to go left or right. Yeah, correct, very good. So here you have to search all the element. Okay, that's why it's going to be big O of n. Now find mean in max heap. Now I am saying you to find mean. What is going to be your time complexity? Now I am saying you to find mean. Find mean. So if you will find mean in, how you will find mean in the max heap? So what you know, that minimum will be present on the leaf only. Minimum will be present on the leaf only because root is going to have always the maximum element. So you know that the starting index of leaf is going to from floor of seal of n by 2 plus 1 to n. Is it correct? or is it floor or seal? It is seal. Okay, it is seal. So it will be floor. I need to draw here floor. Okay, so floor of n by 2 plus 1 2n. So you know that starting index of leaf is from this. So there means in total you are having how many elements? Approx you are going to have n2 element. In these n by 2 element you have to find the minimum. So you have to do linearly one by one. You have to go to every element. You have to check whether it is minimum or not. In worst case it is going to take big O of n by 2, which is going to be big O of n. So to find a minimum in max heap is going to your big O of n. Now after finding minimum, if we'll do delete delete min. For delete min, what is going to be time? What is going to be time complexity? Now you find the minimum. Now I am saying you to delete the minimum. So to find the minimum, you are going to take big of n. Now after deleting that element, you have to again see to find the for delete mean, you have to find the first mean. To find the mean, it is going to take big of n. Now after deletion, you have to make the tree again a complete binary tree. So to make a build means again you have to call it a build heap. So build heap is going to take big of n. It is going to be, so first you have to do for searching, for finding mean heap, for this is for mean heap, for finding mean heap. Okay, for finding mean heap, because after deletion it will be, it may happen that it is now no more max heap. Okay, so big O of n is your for finding, for finding for finding minimum, for finding mean, and this, so total overall is going to big O of n. This for again, for again making a heap, again for making a heap. So you need to again make a heap. You have to call build heap function, build heap function. Okay, you have to call build heap function. So in max heap you have seen, see the way we are saying for max heap, even we can do for the mean heap. So in max heap you are doing insertion, it is going to take log n time, deletion it's going to take log n time, find max is going to take big of 1, increase key is log n. So for this, if you require this function like insertion, deletion max, find max, increase key, decrease key, then only you are going to do, you will use the data structure that is max. So where you should use the max heap, where there is more insertion, more deletion of max, more insertion of key, more insertion of decrease key, then only you will use max, because they are in search an element, it is going to take big O of n. Find, for these three operations we are not going to use max. Am I clear to all of you? Let me take an example. Okay, so it may happen like if you are having here 100, then 20. So we need to take an example where we need, where that after deletion it is not, after deletion it is creating the problem. Okay, it may happen, there may be some case, because after you are checking, you are checking the tree, but it can happen that after deletion it will be not a maxi. Okay, so I will create one example with that where it will get, where it will get violated, because here if I after deletion it is a maxi only. So we need to create that. Okay, otherwise see overall if we are not, if we are not calling the max heap also, then also the time complexity is going to be big of n only. So there what we can do, we can check after deletion, we can check whether it is a max heap or not. If it is a max heap, then we will not call build heap. We can do the optimization here, we can do the optimization. If you'll see that after deletion it is not a max heap, then we will call the build heap property. Okay, just like here after deleting it is a maxif only, it is a maxif only, 20 is greater, 30 is greater, then 2 is greater 5. So after deletion 1 it is not required to call a build heap. Okay, so that we can do, we will check after deletion if it is not satisfying, if it is a maxif only, then no need to call. Okay. So this we have seen all the properties of a heap. Overall, the time complexity is going to big of n only. Overall, the time complexity is going to big of n only. Okay.